After I discovered this recipe, I just want to eat potatoes like this. To begin our recipe, I will cut 7 small potatoes in the middle. Now, in a deep pan, I will add our potatoes cut in half. I will add water until all the potatoes are covered. Next, I will add a teaspoon of salt and leave the potatoes on low heat until well cooked. In a frying pan, I will add a tablespoon of butter and stir until the butter melts completely. I have no doubt that this recipe will impress you. I'm gonna add our potato chips one by one to the pan. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Ellen Patton, Kentucky. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. As soon as they fry a little, I will stir all the potatoes for the butter to cover them whole. Next, I will add a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of paprika, 3 cloves of garlic, and finally, I will add a tablespoon of butter. I will stir again until all the butter melts and the seasonings add flavor to our potatoes. Guys, I'm sure you and your family will love this recipe. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. Now I will add the juice of a whole lime. Guys, this is the special touch in our recipe. You will see that the lime will make a good difference in the final result. I'm going to stir some more so that the lime stays on all the potatoes. Finally, I will add a little parsley to taste and stir again. Tell me if you have a different recipe using potatoes. I'll love to know. I doubt you've ever tasted any potatoes as delicious as the one we're making. Now our recipe is ready. I doubt you've ever tasted any potato recipe as tasty as this one. See how we can make an amazing recipe with few ingredients? I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you how to make this wonderful recipe. This has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I made it. I do not stop making it and everyone here at home loves it. I'm sure your friends and family will ask you all the secrets of how to make this amazing recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I see you in the next video. Bye.